Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka. I'm co-founder of Inner Journeys. And when I do workshops with youngsters or if I when I do sessions with youngsters, I often come across a similar question which is around love. Like how will I find true love and what actually the true love means and how does it feels like and how will I attract love in my life. So I thought why not make a video about it and share my thoughts about love. So, let's start with something like what actually love means. So, if you're attracted to someone's physical body, then I would say it is attraction. And if you want to take care of someone, then it is protectiveness. And if you have a feeling that this person belongs to me, then it is possessiveness. And if you feel comfortable sharing your thoughts with someone, you can freely share and express your feelings, then it is friendship. And if someone motivates you to do better in your life and be a better version of yourself, then it is inspiration. And if someone understands your journey, empowers you and walks with you, then it is companionship. So now what is love? So if you find someone who is all the things that I told you about above, then that is love. So if you feel compassionate, if you feel inspired, if you feel you've found a companion, if you found a friend, you feel protective about someone, possessive about someone, this person inspires you, and you find all these qualities, or you feel this all this for one person, then I say that that is love. And most importantly, the person whom you are in love with should also reciprocate the same. Otherwise, it will become obsession or a one sided love, which is not going to give you anything in return. All right. So, when you're willing to work on yourself and to be a better person for someone, when you can share your past, your fears, your demons, and your shadows, and absolutely everything with someone without the fear that they'll judge you, or when you can be your true self with someone without any false demeanor, without any pretensions, when you are attracted to the internal beauty of someone, then the external beauty, like you find that person really really beautiful from inside. When you feel that this person is by my side, and if this person is with me, then I can conquer the world and I can face any challenges. And when you want to wake up every single morning with this one person for, say, the rest of your life, and when you're sure that you can love this one person in zillion different ways all your life without getting bored, when you find true love, then everything like this will happen. Your whole life will be focused on this person in a very positive way. Then no matter who passes by or who lures you or whoever crosses your path, you will not get affected. So that's what is true love, because all your needs, your requirements are going to be fulfilled by this person. And when you meet this kind of a person, so what happens is that, when you talk of movies, they say that there's a lot of background music, and your heart will skip a beat or your heart will start beating faster. But I would say when you meet this person whom you are in love with or you're falling in love with, so the green flag is that in the presence of this person you will actually feel very very calm, and as if this person brings in a lot of peace of mind, and your soul will be at peace when this person is around you, and there would be a sense of calmness running down you, and the voices in your head and around you will just get silenced. This person will actually bring a lot of positivity for your mind, your body, and your soul, as if you'll feel complete, as if all the missing pieces of your jigsaw puzzle have completed, and you will feel whole and complete in yourself. So now the question that I'm asked many times is that how will I find true love? So I'll say that you will find true love when you start loving yourself and start healing yourself. The day you start feeling that you're complete in yourself and you don't need anybody to feel happy or contented, or you are enough to make yourself feel happy and contented, then you know what will happen. The universe will send somebody to compliment you. So it's about working on yourself, healing your shadows, healing your triggers, healing your wounds, and then only you will attract a partner who is healed and who is good enough for you. Because as I always say in my workshops, that if you want Shiva in your life, then you have to be Shakti, and vice versa. So without healing yourself, you will not attract a healed partner. And if you don't have a healed partner, or if you're not healed yourself, then no matter how many things are in sync with each other, you will end up fighting with each other. There'll be a lot of argument and disagreement, and the peace of mind in the relationship will not be there. So first thing is to start loving yourself, heal yourself, because only when you're able to love yourself unconditionally, you'll be able to love somebody else unconditionally. And at the end of the day, you only attract your kind of vibes. So if you are complete in yourself, if you are totally healed, and you know how to love, and you can understand the expression of love or the language of love, then only you will attract someone who will be speaking to you in the language of love. So with this note, I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching.